Sven, go. Go!
What are they? Wolves? What are we gonna do?
I got this. Just don't fall off and don't get eaten.
But I want to help.
No!
Why
I
not?
don't trust your judgment.
Excuse me?
There is a man she just met!
It's true love! Christopher!
It's Krista! Ow! Ah!
Duck!
You almost set me on fire!
But I didn't. Get ready to jump, Sven!
You don't tell him what to do. I do! Jump, Sven!